Hello guys. Hello guys. Happy Wednesday. So we are a half for the week already guys. Today is Wednesday, mean in the middle of the week. And the trending today, we're gonna go selling, okay? We're gonna go selling today. This morning Trump said that he will give Iran a few more days. That means the war right now is very intense already. The tension is rising, and Iran is preparing. They already done preparing for the war. But US, Trump said that he gonna give them a few more days, which means right now we have semi-trending, and it's not really affect to the market that much for today. But today what we need to concern about is about the inflation coming back, right? Like this morning, like yesterday, the Federal Reserve actually this morning at the end of the US section, right, the Federal Reserve said that in this year 2026, from now until the end of the year, they might thinking about to increase the interest rate, not cutting it, right? Last year their process to cutting the rates is very correct, but this year they said that in the end of last year they said that 2026 they're gonna cut the interest rate like 3 times. But actually from the beginning of 2026 until now, we are about to half a year already, but they not they still keep the old interest rate around 3.75%. They keeping it due to the war, due to the tension rise about geopolitical in the whole year, right? So they cannot cut the rate right now, because if they cutting the rate right now, there's gonna be chaos in the market. So they just keeping the interest rate high only. But today there's something different already. They said that in the scenario of the tension about Middle East is rising and the oil price is growing so fast, they might thinking about increase the interest rate in this year, in 2026. They not even cut any time, but they thinking about increasing it more. So that will put a lot of pressure on the gold price, which because if they increase the interest rate, the US dollar gonna become stronger and more attractive than gold. The bond yields gonna go up, and then they're gonna, the client, the traders, the investor, they're gonna put money into USD and risky asset like a stock, and also they're gonna put it in bond yields, not gold anymore. So from now in the short term, I'm guessing like maybe a few more months from now, 20 May until maybe July or August, gold will be down a lot. Gold will be down, and in this case I'm thinking about gold gonna drop down around to 4,000, around 4,000 guys. A lot, that's a lot. It's gonna be 400 and 4,000, let's say the 500 price from now on, okay. Yeah, in long term, you guys, for me personally, in my opinion, I think gold will have a drop down back around over here. There's gonna be a very huge rank down here around 3,900, around that, around 3,900 to 4,090. they're gonna drop down around here, because as you can see in daily chart, the top is getting lower, it's lower and lower, and now they are trading around the support level, at the 4,500, around this. So if this breakout over here, it's gonna be drop down more, it's gonna head to the next support level, is 4,100 first. Okay, and I think for this one, it's gonna happen in maybe 1 or next 2 weeks. It's gonna settle around 4,100 to 3,874. Around this range, it's gonna sideways here, maybe over 4 weeks, 1 or 2 months, something like that, and then it's gonna drop down more if the war is the conflict at Middle East is ending. If not, it's gonna be very, I could say that it's very hard to trade in those times, guys. Very hard, very difficult. Okay, so right now what we doing in short term, we doing short term only, because right now the market not going one way, they don't have the clear trends. But right now the market is going following some news, macro news about Middle East, about US inflation, something like that. So they moving very quick and very strong. It's not move like before. It had a clear trend but go slow. We have profit in the long term but not short term. But right now they moving like every day is a new trend. Okay, every day is a new trend. You cannot know tomorrow it's gonna go up or go down, because tomorrow morning Trump will say something, and then the trend will continue or reverse. That's what happening in the market right now. So be careful, guys. Just do what is be careful. For me right now, I'm just trading reversal or continuously trend at the key levels. For example, this morning it dropped from 4,500 to 4,450, right here. We will have the Fibonacci retracement around 4474 and 4480, and in this range we have one key level over here at 4476. So I selling from 44767. We take the middle, and it really hit it and going so good now. So I think today I'm gonna keep this only, and we aim for 2% profit of our account this day. Yeah, I'm gonna aim for this, guys. In case it's going up again and hit this so good, then it means that I can boost it more sell. That is for gold or oil. Right now it's going up again, but not so strong, so I will standing out right now for oil. Now we don't have a very good intraday, so we're not gonna touch it. And for Bitcoin, see, it's going up, but right here I see a chance, so I'm gonna sell from here, guys, and one from here, one here. Also, in case it's swiping up, if it's swiping up 200 stop loss, it's gonna fill our position right here, our limit order. And for Bitcoin, I think in the short term it's gonna drop down, because inflation is going up. Nobody gonna buy Bitcoin because it's not make sense. It's don't create any profit that much, so they're gonna buy oil and USD and bond yield. Talking about bond yields right now is for let me wait a minute. Let me check the bond yield. Usually the 10-year bond yield is the most important. They follow it the most for 10 years bond yield, and 10-year bond yield right now is 4.6% already. Okay, okay guys, 4.6%. And in the medium term, from let's say from beginning of this year, then from we're gonna, that mean we're talking about from January 2026, January 26. Okay, it's already increased like 15%, 13%. The bond yield in this year is the lowest at the time that US and Israel and Iran start the war in the Middle East. It's at 3.9% only, but now it's grow to 4.6% already. Mean it's increasing 19%. So I think it's in the uptrend right now. It's in the uptrend right now to go back to even 4.8 or 5%. Yeah, because the dollar, US dollar is going up right now. In a short term, gold will be in a selling pressure. Gold will be in a selling pressure in the short term. That means Bitcoin will also, okay? Because when the dollar become stronger, no one gonna buy Bitcoin. They're not gonna buy Bitcoin, but they are gonna buy US dollar and bond yield and oil. Maybe oil not really a product that move every time, guys, but when oil move, the whole market move together. That's why right now the Middle East conflict is so much important like that, because it makes the oil move so fast, so strong, and when the oil move, everyone move, including gold. Talk about that, you guys might heard about oil insider trading few weeks ago, right? But I can tell you guys that you guys can hear about oil insider trading, stock insider trading, something like that. But for gold, you might not gonna hear it yet, because gold is so big, guys, and gold is a safe haven, not something risky. So you usually gonna heard about insider trading about another products, but never gold. That's why I choosing gold, because it cannot be manipulated. No one can manipulate the gold, guys. They might manipulate the oil price, the forex price, the forex ratio, the money, the stock, the indies, something, everything they can manipulate. But for gold, no, not for gold, guys. Even Bitcoin get manipulated. Bitcoin and crypto is the most manipulated product in this market. Okay, so now we're just waiting. Today our bias is selling, and the best level to sell today is 4,500. From here is one level, here is another level. Okay, so right now we just enter, we are 40, let's say we are 42 more minutes away from the Europe section. So let's just waiting, okay, to see whether if it's gonna drop down right now or not, or it will be wait a little bit more to the Europe section. Okay, guys. Okay guys, as I seeing now the Bitcoin is still going up, but don't worry, I think it might go up to around here and then it's gonna drop down from here or a little bit more, just that. For the Fibonacci retracement, it's gonna go up around around my limit order if it's strong enough, because in the 4-hour chart you guys can see here it have a sideways range. There's a sideways range over here. If we cannot break this spot, it's gonna drop down straightly from here. So it's not really a big problem right now for waiting, guys. Just waiting is okay. What we need to do now is just waiting. Especially honestly now I'm waiting for the gold to drop down more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin we might waiting for a few more days, maybe in the weekend. For me, I think it's still gonna sideways in this box for a few more days. Today is Wednesday. It's gonna go until Friday or Saturday. Then it's gonna drop down. But for gold, I'm expecting it's gonna drop down straightly from today or tomorrow. Not so long. If we counting about the range is going in a one day that going strong is 100 rise, mean 10,000 points. Today the peak up today is 4508. If it go 10,000 points, it's gonna reach 4408. So our TB is at 4425. It really makes sense. It's not that we illustrate about something that much. It makes sense, guys. And also for our TB level, it also have a support level over here. So it really makes sense when we set up about the TB over here. Okay. So I guess today we just set it and forget it. And we waiting for a new signal. Maybe we can put in more position, but if nothing happen, we just waiting is okay. We don't need to do anything much in today, because the trend for today I think is quite clear already. That is gonna going down. And why it's going down? It's because the inflation much more about it. It's about the inflation much more than the war right now. Okay. Yeah, it's going correctly as I expecting already, guys. Going down and just going down. Right now, I'm just waiting. It's going down very strong. Look at here, guys. Look. Let me show you guys why I'm selling it, and I decide to keep it. Okay. Look at here. It go like exactly the same, right? Exactly the same. So this candle will be the confirmation candle. It can drop down more than and close up below 50. We get the downtrend. We get the TB. I think even before US section. If this candle close below 50. If it not, then we might have to wait a little bit more. But for me right now, it's already like too clearly already. Here you guys can see the buying side trying to push the price going up, but got decline. Not one time, but 3 times, 4 times already. So that mean that the selling side is in advantage. So we just are waiting for the breakout only. Okay, just sit and wait. Amazing, guys. Amazing. I think we're gonna break even. We're gonna break even it. Would it break even? For safety, because if we break out right here, it should be go down straightly, not go up again. If it's going up again, we're gonna selling again at higher price. We still at 23 more minutes to the Europe section, guys. So we need to be careful also, because at this point it's very sensitive. It's very sensitive at this point, guys. because it might have a chance to going back up again, because it's already going down so much from yesterday already, right? Yesterday we have 4547 and it's go to here mean 9,400 point already. So there will be a chance that it might going up like this, like going up around to 4,500. So we need to avoiding the risk by putting this position break even. If it break even, we selling again at higher point. If not, we take profit. That's what we do for today. Just that only. Today gonna be a quite easy day, not tough like the last 2 days. The last 2 days we have a little bit difficult, right? But today I think it will be better, because this week we from the Monday until now we already get 35k, which means 7% already. 7%, right? 5k is 1%, so 35k is 7%. So we at the target already, so we don't have to rush so much. Just take it easy today. Okay guys, seems like today we don't have anything to do but just sit and waiting. I think really today we have nothing to do guys. Market don't have anything to analyze today. Everything is so clear and we don't have any big news today. Today we only have one big news, not really today but in US section. US section is we're gonna have the FOMC meeting at 1 a.m. my time. It's mean we in 11 hour. It's in the next 11 hour. Right now just waiting. Just wait this one for to break out or maybe reverse or reversal. But I don't think it's gonna reverse. I think it should break out. He need to be break out to make it right. If it reverse, then I think there will be another hard section. Because today we don't earn any profit yet. Today we only earn 600 in this morning when I scalping. Okay, it's close. Tough. That was tough. This will be very tough, guys. Because I afraid it's gonna go sideways. It's gonna go sideways a little bit more. So I'm will delete the break even and let it ride. We can take the risk this time because the clear is good. The trend is good. It's just because in Europe, I told you guys before, the first hour of Europe session usually gonna have liquidity swipe. So to avoid that, I think we're gonna delete the break even stop loss. We just hold it. It's okay. We can take the risk to here. We even can hold it until here. Even if go back to 45, 32, 33, something like that, I still gonna hold it. We even can DCA more at here. So there's no big problem, guys. Just hold it, okay? At least for today. The trend is very good. It might drop down to 4,400 in today. So we will give it a shot. Guys, it goes exactly like I said. Going up again. What the heck? What the hell is going on? Guys, oh my god, I cannot believe it going like this. It's shock. Like it makes no sense, guys. It shouldn't go like this. But don't worry, okay? Don't worry. It's actually in our expectation. The Europe session is coming. Just hold it. I'm gonna put one more position. Take out the TV as well. No need the TV. Like I just go toilet a little bit, guys, and when I came back it goes straight up again, like 1700 points. See, it go up, we sell more. No problem, guys. It go up, we sell more. That's what today going, guys. That's what today going. If it go up again, we just selling more. No matter what, because the trending is cannot going up. Look at the strength. Look at the selling strength. It's really we cannot see any buying strength strong enough to pull up the price. At least in today, in this section, maybe US section will be different, but now this section I don't think so. So just keep selling and selling in a 15-minute time frame. For 15-minute time frame, you can see here it's still not go out of this box yet, and when it's not go out of this box, we still keep selling strong, selling strong. If we go out of the box, we might decrease the volume and then wait for another signal to entering more sales, to sell more. So honestly, we just aim for selling for today. That's all I wanna say. It's just important thing is where we're gonna sell, where we're gonna entering the position only. That's the important thing. But for trend, sell for sure. Maybe it's just going up a little bit more for retracement from this morning. Here, around 80, 88, around that. Honestly, if it can go up here, I'm gonna sell more anyway. Guys, today is about how much we're gonna put sell in. Okay, look at the candle. It cannot go up for this trend, for the trending is going now, I don't see any chance. I don't see any chance that it's gonna go above then 4480, 448, 4490. Not talking about 4500. Okay, I don't see any chance that it can go above 4487. To the selling force is too much, too high. Now they are trade running at the key level. Okay, not just a normal level, but in a key level. I'll show guys. Let me show you guys. Okay, here in the daily chart, right? You guys can see he over here. We having on here. We can say that over here, around here. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. Over here. It's breaking down. Okay. So maximum is gonna just go back to 4500 as a retest. Only. Okay, so here we can just selling here. We can put more later, but for now just selling is okay. I want to sell more, but seems like if we put in more volume, it's gonna be a little bit danger for us. So just keep it cool, guys. Don't be we cannot be too greedy right now. We following the trend, but not mean that we put everything in it. We following the trend, but we do it safely. And easy, not doing so rush, because if we so rush, it might push us into the case that very high risk. Okay. One more minute to Europe section, guys. If it can close the candle, if it can close the candle below 870, then it's gonna be so good. That's what I'm expecting. Go down straightly from here, because if it can pass the 87, it might go up back to 4500. Okay, we might a little bit rush when we hit DCA so much like that. Don't worry, delete one position and we wait from here and here. I think tonight is gonna, if Iran have something big for US, I think tonight is gonna drop down so bad. Not talking about the FOMC meeting up here this tomorrow morning. Wow, the market is gonna be like so tough. The market is gonna be insane, guys. Really gonna be insane. So let's just do what is safe for us only. Don't do so much. Okay, guys, just do something safe. Wow, it's going up. It's really going up. Don't worry guys, just holding, nothing much. If we decide to follow the trends already, we need to take the risk that we have to hold. No big deals guys, just hold it. Europe section. The beginning of Europe section usually will be a liquidity swipe. So what I'm thinking here is the market is wiping out all the sellers, and it's my trying to pull up to 87, and then it's gonna go down. It's need to pull to somewhere in the middle, so it can hunt seller stop loss and FOMO for the buyers, and then it's gonna go correct. So let's wait and see to see how it's gonna go in this Europe section. Today Europe section gonna be, I think it's might a little bit difficult. Okay guys, today gonna be might be a little bit difficult, but don't worry, everything will be not so tough. Okay guys, some technical problem. Don't worry, everything is good. Okay, everything is good unless the price but not the price. Hmm. $76. Yeah, looks like it's going down already. See guys, just swiping, not even out the box yet. It's not even go out the box yet. So I think everything will be okay in Europe section today. It's my swapping up a little bit, but it's gonna go down again. So just sit tight guys, just sit tight and hold it. Honestly, we only get problem if it go above 4,510. That will get problem. If not, it's just modification and swiping only, no need to scale. Okay, selling. Okay, so here what is we gonna do in today. We hold for sale, we waiting if it fill our sale limit order above, good. If not, we holding till the TB. Our TB gonna be 4424. Okay, that's what we're gonna do today. Okay guys, everything goes so fast. What the hell? It's swiping too much. I think it's swiping it too a little bit too much. We should considering about 86 here, right here. 86 to 88. It out of the box already. And in the next minute, if it cannot close again under the shadow wick which is 79, we might in a little bit of trouble. Not real trouble, but we have to hold the position I think quite long, because here, right here, we have key level, guys. 88, 87. Let's see, let's wait and see. Just wait and see. We're not in any big trouble yet. Just a little bit out of our, it's out of running out of our expectation only. Okay, so just keep waiting. Let's see how it's gonna go. See guys, it's swiping. What is going on? But now the swiping is not so good for us. For me right now, I'm gonna, how can I say it? Let's say, yeah, like this, the box like this already. The box becoming like this, so we are expecting some drop from here, because guys, if it cannot break, it cannot go up, that means here is a double top pattern, and now it's a retesting at the neckline. So it means from the neckline it's gonna go down again at least to 55. And since it's going like this, I think that we might shorten our TB. Okay, let's wait how it's going first. We cannot make sure anything right now yet. Let's wait until it passed the first hour of Europe session, and we'll see. Okay guys, we are expecting a strong drop from here back to 66, like in, like out, and in the box backs, in the box back. This box right here. What we need is to drop down here again. And it might happen in the next hour, I think, or maybe drop down more, who knows, just like yesterday. Wow, guys, the gold price, look at it moving. Oh my god, I feel like annoying already. But don't worry, I think it's gonna go down anyway, because if the trend going up, it's gonna be breakout a very strong right here. Okay, it's gonna be breakout very strong. Right now, if it's going up, it only can break out for 512. If not, it's still gonna go down again, guys. So today gonna be a tough day because we have to hold it for a long time, not quick like several days before. We might have to hold this like 5-6 hours. It's gonna be a tough day. So let's chill, guys. We just set it and forget it, okay? Just chill and waiting until it fall down. Wow, it's running out of control, guys. This candle gonna be the candle that we will decide whether we can cut soon or later. If this candle go down below 76, we good. If not, we might have to wait a very long time, and it might fill all our limit orders. Well, not good. I don't see it's good. Really, guys, I don't see this one is good. Right now we in quiet danger. But let's see. Who knows? Because the candle might drop down very quick, just like yesterday. See? Okay, let's wait more 8 minutes. 8 more minutes. Oh, no, 12 minutes, I'm wrong.